Hello, everyone. As you may or may not know, I'm in the middle of a rather extensive international tour. I have a couple of lectures that still have tickets available, and so maybe you'd like to attend. I understand that there are some people for whom my mere presence in the same global hemisphere provokes fits of pique and resentment. Don't let that discourage you. I want to let those of you who are interested know that tickets to 2 events are still available. At the Ice Hall in Helsinki, Finland, on Sunday, October 9th. The other, rather newly announced, at the Honda Center in Anaheim, California, on Thursday, November 3rd. Everyone is, of course, welcome to attend, regardless of their political beliefs. Thank you. Hope to see you there.